Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out more Faouzia. This is Birds of a Feather. This is one of my favorite Faouzia performances live. And yeah, this guy is gonna be watching his third Faouzia
I think third
video. Yeah. And yeah, let's check it out. Here we go.
You to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in.
Look, she's having trouble with maybe hearing.
Yeah.
But still looks and sounds good.
She looks very different than how it looked before.
Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for.
I love her when she flips her voice when she transitions, like in the same verse between her head voice and chest voice, head voice and chest voice. She does it in this bit, like, and then like she goes back, and then she goes up, and then she goes back. She does it so like
Okay, try and listen out for that.
very smooth. Here,
Oh yeah.
and then.
Don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die.
What do you think so far?
Who sang the original?
Billie Eilish.
And it came out what, like 3 years ago? 2 years ago?
Maybe 4
I feel
years.
like
Maybe
and
I
like
don't know.
another song which we spoke is like, I feel like this one is more. This one is like. This song has been quite overplayed. I feel like culturally around the world, but to me, I know that phase is past now somewhat.
Yeah.
But I really like this. I'd say I prefer it to the Billie
I do
Eilish
too.
version.
I only listen to this version.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I've never listened to the original.
Mhm.
Not on purpose. Maybe like I've heard it on a
Mhm,
TikTok
mhm.
or something. But this is the version I look up and listen to. Actually, I prefer this.
Yeah.
If I told you, you would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of it. Tell me it's a bit. Say you don't see it, your mind's polluted. Say you won't quit, don't be stupid.
And again, another example of singing while sitting down and doing a really good job at it.
Yeah, I think she just sits down all the time.
Really?
Well, the last two I've seen of her, she's been sat down.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if it delivers a great performance, why not?
think I could love you more. My love belong, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye till the day that I die. Till the light hits my eyes. Till the day that I
Oh, she took us to church. She really went there.
Very clean vocal. Pristine.
Amazing.
same look in your eyes. I love you, don't act so surprised. Till the day that I die, till the light hits my eyes, till the day that I die.
I wanted more. She's so cute. She's so cute. I needed more. I didn't want that to end. I love that performance.
Yes, it's a very classy, simple performance.
Yeah. Effective.
But she delivers the song great. I do prefer it to probably Billie Eilish's version.
Easily for me.
Pristine vocal. Yeah, just a real master of her craft, you know. Yeah.
Yep.
It was
What
good.
a voice.
Very, very good. Yes.
Oh, what a voice.
Yeah.
Can't get enough of Faouzia.
Very. Just a very high level operator in the kind of, you know, in that space.
And it's very rare for someone to with such a she has pretty low register to be able to go to those all the way up to those high notes as well.
Does she have like a big fan base in Asia, or is that like what it's?
Well, she did this show, The Next Singer.
Ah,
Well, she
yes.
did I Am Singer first, I think, and she made it to the final two, but she didn't win, and people lost their minds. But that basically she became a star. Everyone is obsessed with her in China.
Okay.
So, and she did this second. They brought her back for this second show, The Next Singer, as well. And yeah, and now she's like a huge star in there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And where else
they
is she a
really
big
like
star?
her. Well,
She a big star of Morocco.
I would say so. Well, not a huge, but she's somewhat known. Not
Yeah.
as big as she should be,
Yeah.
but you know.
Yeah. She's at the level that. To me, she's at the level that those kind of real top
Yes.
female vocalists are at.
Oh, easily.
And she should be like Morocco's.
Not just
Cool.
Morocco, she should be international.
Yeah, well, yeah,
Like,
she should
she
be
is
Moroccan's
somewhat
version of
international.
that for the international
Yes.
world. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, contribution in that sense. Yeah, that was a very, very good performance. Excellent performance.
Yep.
And a great. It was just a very simple, no fuss,
Straight to the point.
straight to the point, and yeah, very good.
Yeah. Well, if you guys enjoyed this reaction, please like, comment. It helps a lot with the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel for future Faouzia content. If you want to check out Birds of a Feather, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. Go watch it because this is not a market substitute. If you want to check out more Faouzia reactions, I'll leave you the playlist somewhere in here. Go watch it. And yeah, hopefully you'll see you next time.
See ya.